So for number 48, our problem is to use the information provided to find the a, b, and c of the equation of the parabola in standard form, which opens up or down and passes through the points 6, -2, 5, 3, and 9, -5. So the first thing we're going to do is write down our standard form equation with the variables we need to solve for. So it's going to go y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And then we're going to plug each of these pairs into the equation and form three different equations. So the first one is going to go -2 equals a 6 squared plus b 6 plus c. And then our second one is 3 equals a 5 squared plus b 5 plus c. And then our third one is -5 equals a times 9 squared plus b times 9 plus c. And then we're going to simplify these. And then you're going to want to number them. So this first equation, then I'm going to switch around the order a little bit. So this one's going to be 36a plus 6b plus c equals -2. And then our second equation is 25a plus 5b plus c equals 3. And then our third equation is 81a plus 9b plus c equals -5. So now we have a 3-variable system of equations that we need to solve. So we're going to use the elimination method to solve this one. So since we have just c's in every equation, we're going to cancel out the c's. So next we're going to take any two of the equations. I'm going to take number 1 and number 2. And since we're canceling, I'm going to make equation number 2 negative, so we can have a -c. So our first one, you just rewrite the first equation. So 36a plus 6b plus c equals -2. And then we're taking the negative of equation number 2, and a mistake might be not flipping all the signs in the equation, so make sure you flip every sign. So we're going to get -25a minus 5b minus c equals -3. And then we're going to subtract, so we get 11a plus b, and then our c's cancel out. So we get -5, and this is our equation number 4. We're going to highlight this, make sure we don't lose it. And then we're going to take another two of our equations. So I'm going to take equation number 3 and negative equation number 1. Make sure you flip all the signs. So 81a plus 9b plus c equals -5. And then -36a minus 6b minus c equals 2. Then we're going to subtract, and we get 45a plus 3b. Our c's cancel out again, equals -3. And this is our equation number 5. So we're going to highlight this one too. So now we're going to take our equation number 4 and number 5 and cancel out another variable. So I'm going to cancel out the b's. So I'm going to take equation number 5, rewrite it, 45a plus 3b equals -3. And then since we're canceling out the b's, we need to multiply this by the whole equation by a -3. So -3 times equation number 4, we're going to get -33a minus 3b equals 15. And then we're going to subtract, and for this one we get 12a, again our b's cancel out, equals 12. And now we're just going to solve for a. So divide both sides by 12, and a equals 1. So this is important. This is one of our variables. And now we're going to plug a back into one of these two equations, number 4 and number 5. So I'm going to plug it into equation number 4 because that's just easier. So number 4, 11, then 1, variable we solved for, plus b equals -5. So it's going to be 11 plus b equals -5. And then we subtract the 11 from both sides, and we get b equals -16. So this is our second variable. And now we're going to take both of our variables and plug them back into one of our original 3 equations. So you're going to want to pick whichever one is easiest, obviously. So I'm going to pick equation number 1. Just seems the easiest to me. So number 1, 36 times 1, our variable, plus 6 times -16 plus c equals -2. So we get 36 minus 96 plus c equals -2. And then we get -60 plus c equals -2. And then we add 60 to both sides, so plus 60 plus 60, and we get c equals 58. So now we just plug all of these numbers back into our original back into our equation. We just plug all of them in. So we're gonna get y equals x squared minus 16x plus 58. And that is our answer.